Okay, Matt the Mortgage Guy here. It's January 18th, 2019. And I want to make a quick video on refinance tips. A lot of talk about refinance lately. As rates go down, obviously there's more opportunity for refinance. Black Knight is a data analytics group, and they released a study recently that I saw that talked about 550,000 more Americans have an opportunity to lower their rate by 0.75 or more. So with rates where they're currently at. So obviously there's an uptick in refinance. There's folks that got into an FHA loan. They may be able to refinance into a conventional, lower their mortgage insurance or reduce their mortgage insurance, lower their interest rate, save them money. So having a lot of those conversations, and I want to make a couple points, the questions I get, and hopefully educate some folks out there that might have similar questions. First and foremost, when you get initial disclosures on a refinance and you sign those, you're not tied to anything. So what I've encouraged folks to do is, you can talk estimates, you can talk, okay, I think this makes sense. I don't know all the numbers involved. Let's get started. Let's get initial disclosures out, and you can see exactly what all the numbers say. If it doesn't make sense to you, or if you review it with your spouse and you say, I don't know, $163 a month, it doesn't, really pencil for us, we might sell in 2 years, then you cancel. And it's as easy as that. So that's one thing to consider, because rates change on a daily basis. And if a deal makes sense today, and in some of these cases, it's, all right, your interest rate's going to go down from 4.875 to 4.25. Not huge, 0.625%, but based on your $400,000 loan amount, that's $2,200 a year, and you're going to save $187 a month. Whatever these numbers are, you can say, you know what, I think it makes sense. Here's a few docs you need to get started, get those initial disclosures out, review it, sign the initial disclosures. If for whatever reason you say, you know what, not the deal for me, you can cancel. So there's no harm in getting started. Most quality mortgage folks like myself don't mind the little bit of work we do on our side to get that thing started, get it locked, because we'd rather do that than have you decide a week from now that you go, well, that same rate might cost, $2,500, or rates have shifted up to 4.5 for your specific scenario. So you can get started knowing that until you've signed the final loan documents, and on refinances, even 3 days after you've signed those final loan documents with the notary, it's not final. You always have the opportunity to change your mind. What you don't have the opportunity for is think about it for 3 weeks, then get started and say, I want the rate that we talked about 3 weeks ago. That rate had not changed every single day for the last 21 days. So that's that. Any questions at all regarding refinance? Happy to help. Matt the Mortgage Guy. Until next time.